happen so quickly. Maybe I should keep this to myself, waiting till I know you better. I am trying not to tell you, but I want to. I'm scared of what you'll say, so I'm hiding what I'm feeling. But I'm tired of holding this inside my head. I've been spending all my time just thinking about you. I don't know what to do. I think I'm falling for you. I've been waiting all my life, and now I found you. I don't know what to do. I think I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. As I'm standing here and you hold my hand, pull me towards you, and we start to dance all around us. I see nobody here in silence. It's just you and me. I'm trying not to tell you, but I want